Hey, this is getting serious. It is sentimental. Look what I have, look what I got. It is a page in a pencil. The verses are placed on my head. I call my head magic. I got my figure with figuratives. Nobody hating on me. Over the best, top of the best. I am super static. This ain't nothing like regular day. Sipping on juices, comparing the prices. Get the fame or stay limp. Just go big or go home. You better face the fact that I'm inside your edges. From dust to dawn, I write to key the verses. Once you hear this out, tell the preacher respect me. You ain't gonna time me, but confident ignore me. The do's, I got the do's and the don'ts. I believe lyrically, she scream down to the dogs. But to me wins and shine, but to me the ghost. So early in the morning and you give me the float. In the end of the day, it's not over the short. What you think I'm made of? It is a pistol and blog. Got my hands tied up, they don't want me running out. I wanna travel to Puerto Rico just to see the Chupacabra, or just stand in the roof just to see the review. Chorus, chorus, chorus. I not chorus, chorus, I not chorus. Remember that I told you I'm coming. I posted it on my Facebook. But this thing I have is growing inside and it's too big. Sometimes I feel like I'm stupid. Got no cops on my copy. This is too much like a stampede. Got no time for the judges. Every time when I wake up I feel like eating cheese. I'm a raw dog, got me running up in the rondo. It's the rama, not the rondo. But it's a circle, but it's a popper. Ninga size lingo buso nezami.